Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a quick video, like literally this is probably going to be 5 minutes or less. So I was trying to figure out how I can set up some lights so I'm not in the dark when I'm streaming, because I usually stream at night. So I needed something to help me like brighten me up, because I really be playing games and the monitor is the only way that I get some light, right? So I ordered this light off of Amazon. This was only $15. Now this is one of those selfie lights that you put on your phone or you can put on a laptop. Now it's not big enough to wrap around my cam, but as you see, my cam is here, right? I don't know if you see the little tape. So I just wrap tape around it to keep it around the camera, okay? And it works perfectly fine. So if I want, I'm gonna just show you this. I'm gonna show you how it looks at night because I also did it in the darkness. All right, technical difficulties, but let's show you how it looks. So that's the first light. You see how bright that is? It's like make my whole camera cloudy. Like, I don't know. This is the second setting, okay? And this is the third setting, okay? So those are the three settings. So this is how I have it set up. So let me show y'all how I have it taped up around the camera. So this is how I have it taped up. Now that's all my Elgato wires in the back. I know it looks rough. Please don't come for me, guys. All right, so that's how it looks. All right, so I'm gonna switch to the next scene to show you how it looks in the dark. All right, so this is me in complete darkness. I just want to show off how this looks. I have my floodlight behind me. You see it's cycling through red, blue, green. So here we go. So that is on the first setting of the ring light. Man, this thing is bright. Mind you, this was only 15 bucks. There's other YouTubers that tell you about YouTube setups with like lighting to help you, you know, bounce light off the right direction, all that. And it's like 100 bucks or 50 bucks or more. And this was only 15 bucks, okay? And I got some tape and taped around my webcam. I'll probably show you like how it looks in a picture somewhere. But yeah, it works, so I'm not complaining. So that's the first setting. This is the second setting. I feel like this setting looks a little better, only because you can see my background changing colors with this lighting on. But you guys let me know, okay? This is setting number 2, and setting number 3 is a lot warmer. Like the lights turn more like a yellowish, and so this is how it looks. It kind of, you know, I don't know, maybe I got to change the saturation when I'm using this, but I don't know, it makes me look like brighter, and then depending on whatever colors in the background, then it makes me look lighter. But this is how it looks. Let me guys know. You guys let me know what you think. All the links will be in the description down below. This again was only 15 bucks, and the cam was 50 bucks last year during like Christmas time. It is no longer available on Amazon. I haven't seen other places. I've seen it listed for like $100, $150 or more. That's crazy. But I will also have that in the link down below if you want this camera. And I have another camera that's available on Amazon down below. This goes up to 1080p, 30 frames per second, and I believe 720 at 60 frames per second. But when you're streaming on Twitch, 30 frames is just fine, and especially if you're not a partner, 30 frames, 720p just for your cam. Like your games, you want 60p. For your cam, 30 frames per second is fine, and your lips and the sound doesn't, you know, can't really notice. Alright guys, thank you guys for stopping by. This is Ajaxx G. Remember, like and subscribe. Ajaxx out.